afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Light winds. Chance of rain 90%. The National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a flash flood warning for central Hamilton County until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chattanooga, Saudi Daisy, Signal Mountain, Walden, Fairmount, Red Bank, Mowbray Mountain, Flattop Mountain, North Chickamauga Creek Gorge, Middle Valley, Falling Water and Sale Creek. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night. Timing of expected impacts is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.